Good morning. Today is May 14th, Tuesday. Here doing another question. My name is Tamika Chambers, a lifestyle coach. You are a team leader, RN, working with a student nurse. The student nurse is to teach a patient how to use a MDI without a spacer. Put in the correct order the steps that the student nurse should teach the patient. So, meter dose inhaler, MDI. You may be asked questions regarding how to administer medications or how to complete a process, such as glucose checking. So here we go. We have a selection of answers, and you're to put them in order. This is a common question I will give to my clients to help prepare them for their NCLEX. And I actually had a client to tell me this question, several of them, this question was on Archer. And one of my clients told me, she said, Tamika, I tell you, I think about 5 or 6 questions that was on Archer were on my exam. So this question, though, is from Nurselabs. If you're able to pay for a data bank of questions, I do recommend it because I usually encourage you to have 2 of them, 2 banks of questions to help you prepare for your NCLEX. All right, so you see the selections here. A, remove the inhaler cap, hold your breath for at least 10 seconds, wait at least a minute between puffs. Press down firmly on the canister and breathe deeply through your mouth. Open your mouth and place the mouthpiece 1 to 2 inches away. Tilt your head back and breathe out fully. So pause this video and actually take your time and go through the answers, and then you can resume it and we'll talk through these. Briefly talk through these. So the first thing that you want them to do is to remove the inhaler cap and shake. Letter A. And then the next step will be tilt your head back and breathe out fully. And every time I explain this, people are like, so just like you're cleaning an eye, administering medication for an eye, you clean it first. So this tilting the head back and breathing out fully helps to kind of clean out the lungs and also to prepare them for the inhalation. So open your mouth and place the mouthpiece 1 to 2 inches away, E. Then D, press down firmly on the canister, and then breathe deeply through your mouth is what you're going to have the client to do. And then hold their breath for about 10 seconds and then wait at least 1 minute between the puffs. So your answers, if I have them in order, A, F, E, D, B, C. And again, I believe this is a Nurselabs question. But remember, you want to look at those questions and say, okay, do I know the processes? Right? For many of the commonly administered medications including MDIs with and without a spacer. So if you didn't get those correct, make sure you review, and even if you did, make sure you review the MDI with a spacer and without a spacer. Make sure you review those steps. I'll talk to you guys soon. Remember, you got this. You can do this. Take your time and maximize each question. It's not about memorization. It's about understanding. Simplify the information, organize it, understand it so that you can apply it not only to your NCLEX, but also to real world nursing. Because once you have your license, hey, you want to keep it, right? I'll talk to you guys soon.